Hi viewers, welcome to our one and only YouTube channel WordPress Beginner Hacks. Today we have an exciting news for WordPress admins and business owners who own a WordPress website. So subscribe our channel now and hit the bell icon so that you can watch such latest updates instantly in the future as well. We all know Microsoft is the bigger competitor of Google. Microsoft uses Bing search engine, which is default for those who use Microsoft Edge browser, while Google is one of the top most popular search engine, but you can never neglect Bing at all. Around 126 million users use Bing search engine within United States. Wow, this is a huge number, so I don't think any one of us intend to avoid such a huge audience. Sequel to Sitekit plugin introduced by Google recently, Bing is now developing their own plugins for WordPress as well. That's the reason Bing have released URL submission plugin for WordPress websites. Within this plugin, you can now easily submit your WordPress URLs to Bing search engine without involving paying or hiring a webmaster. So stay tuned with me and watch this full length tutorial as I am going to tell you how to find Bing URL submission plugin within WordPress, how to install Bing URL submission plugin, how to submit URLs to Bing search engine using this plugin, and finally how it looks like. Before starting with Bing URL submission plugin, I would like you to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start watching how Bing URL submission plugin looks like.
Okay, so you can see that I am in the WordPress admin of our website, WordPress Beginner Hacks, and we are going to show you how to install Bing URL submission plugin and how to submit your URL for the Bing Webmaster. So let's start. You first need to go to the plugin, click on Add New, and once you see the marketplace of WordPress plugin, you simply need to search here Bing URL submission. If you only search for the Bing, it won't show you up the right plugin because it only has 800 installations at the moment and launched 3 days ago. So it is not yet search friendly within the WordPress plugin directory. So this is the plugin that was introduced by the Bing for their Webmaster tool, which you can now manage right from your WordPress backend. You simply need to install it, and once it is properly installed, you then need to activate it, and there will be some more steps how you can submit your website URLs to Bing. So you can see that Bing Webmaster URL submission plugin is now activated on my website, and you can also see it in the left panel. You simply need to click on it for more settings, and when you get into it, this is what you can do with this plugin. It will automatically submit all of your website URLs to Bing Webmaster or Bing search engine. You can also submit manual URLs, and you can see or view all the stats of submitted URLs, and you can also see the recent submissions you have made using this plugin. and you can resubmit recent submissions. If there are some sort of problem, they will inform you, or Webmaster Tool will send you notification. Okay, to get started with submission of URLs, you first need an API key, which is a 32-digit key that you can get from your Bing Webmaster. To get that key, you can follow up on their article, and if your website is not yet registered with Bing Webmaster, what you need to do, you first need to submit your website on Google, not Google, on Bing Webmaster. Since we are already verified with Google Search Console, so I'm gonna import my website. But if you have to do it like from manually, or if you haven't submitted your website URL to Google as well, then you need to enter your website URL here, and then when you click on add, it will guide you further steps. So let me import my website from Google Search Console. They will ask me to log in. Oh my god, I have used the wrong one. So I need to go back and I need to select my own email that is associated with my website. So I'm gonna allow Bing to take all the Search Console data for my website from Google search engine. So you can see how easy these things are. Okay, as you can see, my website is already imported from Google search engine. So now we are going to follow this article for generating our API key for Bing URL submission plugin. Okay, guys, once you see your website is start showing up here, then what we need to do, we need to generate this 32-digit API key. So let me tell you how to generate API key for Bing Webmaster. You need to click on your website. It will open up the entire search console for Bing Webmaster. You can see that our website sitemap is already submitted, and it contains 865 URLs and their status is success. So let's move to the point. We are going to generate the Webmaster API key. You can navigate to the left menu, and under copyright removal notices, you can see Webmaster API. When you click on it, you will see this window from where you can easily generate your API key. You need to copy this API key and then enter it here and click on start using plugin so that it can start populating the results from Bing Webmaster. So what I was looking here is this is my API key, and I can always update this key using this option. Second option which I see is automate URL submissions. That means that whatever new URL we post on this website, like if we post a new article, if we post a new tech news, or if we post a new video on this website, or if we create a new page on this website, this tool, this URL submission tool by Bing Webmaster automatically detect that URL, and they will submit it to Webmaster, which is used by Bing search engine. So for now, I can see that none of my URLs are submitted by this plugin, and it is also like telling you that within 48 hours your website data will start showing up here. So what we are gonna do now, I am going to my website front end, and I need to see what are the most important URLs that I would ever want to show in the search results of Bing Webmaster. So click on submit URL. This is one of the most important URL, uh, which is like my homepage of the website. Then let me show you that we have like 3 to 4 main categories on our website. So I'm going to fetch URL for each of my category, and I am submitting that to the Bing search engine so that all these categories, my website, can be shown in the Bing Webmaster address. So you can see that for me means I can send 10 manual URLs each day, and you can see 5 of my URLs are already submitted. And for me, like, I can post 10 articles or posts per day within my WordPress website, and you can see all the submitted URLs are successful. I can also download its data anytime, and within 48 hours it will start propagating me uh, whatever is their metrics are, or whatever they are showing me in the webmaster. So I would highly recommend you to go for this plugin and install it within your website, because with this plugin you can easily reach to all the audience who are using Bing search engine, and it will be like highly effective for your website as well. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and do like this and share this video with all of your social circle or whoever need this tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye bye.